Namaste dear students and welcome in our RSV group of schools virtual classes of science for class 3rd, and the book name is Blossom chapter 6, and the topic of our today's class is Kingdom of Animals. The aim of our today's class is to learn about different type of animals. So now let's start with the keywords. The first keyword, adaptation. It means a process by which a species become better suited to its environment. Second keyword, aquatic animals, animals which live in water. Third keyword is amphibians. It means animals that live both on land and water. Children, the earth is a home to a variety of plants and animals. Like plant, even the animals found on this planet are very diverse in nature. These characters differ from each other in their food and feeding habits, nesting habits, modes of locations, and many other characteristics. In this chapter, we will discuss about some of these variations. Children, we see different type of animals around us such as dog, cats, rats, cows, buffalo, ox, horses, etc. All these animals are different in size and shape and their habits. For example, cat like to drink milk and eat fish. Dog likes to eat meat and fish. Dog and cat eat bread also, but dog and cat do not eat grass. Whereas cow and oxen only eat grass and cereals, goat and cow live on land while fish live in water. Some animals are found in very cold regions while others are found in desert. Children, you can see some animals on roadside your house such as dog, cat, cow, etc. But you cannot see lion and tiger outside your house, right children? Because they live in jungle, so they are called wild animals. On the basis of living habits, animals are divided into many types. Children, do you know what is habitat? The place where an animal lives or is found naturally. Now second topic is land animals. Animals which live on land are called land animals. For examples, lions, tigers, cats, dogs, cows, buffaloes, elephants, etc. live on land. Among these animals, some animals live in jungle, some live with us, some animals live in snow-covered regions, while some live in desert. All animals are suited to live in different regions. They are suited to live according to their surroundings. Quality to enable an animal to live in a particular conditions are called adaptation. Children, we can define adaptation in this way. The process by which a species become better suited to its environment. Next topic is animals living in forest. Children, forest is a vast region that is covered densely by trees and different variety of plants. It provides shelter to animals. Animals that live in forest are called wild animals. Tigers, lions, hyenas, elephants, etc. live in forest. These are wild animals and cannot live without us. However, some wild animals live in the zoo also. Animals that live in forest have some special qualities. They can run very fast. They can hide themselves in the jungle to save their lives. A tiger can hide itself to catch a prey. It can run very fast. Tiger can walk without producing sound. A deer can also run very fast. A deer can also hide itself to save it from the tiger. These qualities enable them to survive in difficult conditions. Now next topic is animals living in extreme cold regions. Animals like polar bear, penguin, etc. live in extreme cold regions. Areas near polar regions and area of high mountain are covered with snow most of the time. Polar bear and penguin are adapted to live in extremely cold regions. Polar bear has broad paws which help to walk over snow easily. Polar bear are white in color. White color of polar bear resemble with the color of snow. These help a polar bear to hide in the snow. Polar bear has thick coat of fur over its body. Thick coat of fur save polar bear from extreme cold. Children, the region near the North and South Pole on the earth are called polar regions. The North Pole is named Arctic and the South Pole is called Antarctic. They are always covered with ice or snow. The animals found here have developed special features to cope with such cold weather. Their bodies are covered with fur. Most of animals have a thick layer of fat beneath the fur which keep them warm. The next topic, living in desert. A desert is a sandy and dry region as it receives very little rainfall. It is usually hot during the day and cold at night. Due to these reasons, the animals found here have special features that help them to live in such harsh conditions. Many desert animals have a thick skin that help them to avoid water loss through sweating. Camel, lizards, snakes, etc. are found in desert. Camel is known as the sheep of desert. Animals living in desert need less amount of water. These qualities help them to survive in extremely hot and dry condition of desert. Children, do you know camel live without water many days? Because of he collect water in hump. Next topic, animals live in water. Fishes and many other animals live in water. Animals that live in water are called aquatic animals. Fish have boat-shaped body. Fish has fins. Fins and boat-shaped body help fish to swim in water. Fish have gills. Fish breathe in water with the help of gills. Fish cannot live without water. Fish are made to live in water. Children, do you know aquatic animals may breathe air or extract oxygen that dissolves in water through the specialized organs called gills and directly through the skin. Next topic is animals living both in water and land. Some animals can live both in water and land. Crocodile, frog and turtle etc. are some animals which can live in water as well as on land. Such animals are called amphibians. Amphibians means student animals that live both on land and water. Children, frog is such one of animals. Frog have longer hind limbs than forelimbs. These help them to jump on land. Frogs have webbed feet that helps them to swim. Animals. Next topic is animals living with us. There are many animals which live with us. Animals which live with us are called domestic animals. Cows, goats, dogs, ox, etc. are example of domestic animals. Animals which give us milk are called milk animals. Some animals live in our homes with us. For example, cat, dog, parrot, etc. Such animals are called pet animals. Children, did you know birds are the only mammal that can fly? Other mammals can glide for short period of time but not truly fly. Children, now we will discuss here the uses of animals. Oxen are used to plow fields and to pull carts. Horses are used to carry loads and pull carts. In the ancient times, horses were used for transportations. Camel and elephants are used to carry loads, pull carts, and as a mode of transportation. In desert, cow and buffaloes give us milk, goats give us milk and meat. Hens give us eggs and meat. Dogs keep a watch on our houses. Police uses dogs to catch criminals. Children, do you know skin of dead animals are used in making shoes, bags, belts and parlors? Animals help us in different ways. Animals are our friends. Children, I hope you all have understood about the kingdom of animals. Thank you.